So hello, we have snow. I mean, for some of you, not that crazy, but over here in the Netherlands, we almost never get snow. At least not decent snow. The weather should be cold for about a week at least. That's what the news says. And well, I thought, why don't we just go ahead and play around in the Tesla a bit? Okay, no grip on the roundabout. Come on. The traction control is just too damn good. But anyway, we're gonna drive the Tesla a bit in the snow on the open roads. Fairly safe, I would say. And then I'm gonna do some little tests, little slalom, little braking test, whatever, on an empty parking lot. And well, I think it's gonna be fun. One disclaimer, this is driving on winter tires and it's four-wheel drive, so it should have the best setup for dealing with these kinds of weather conditions. And I have to say, well, snow on the road, not a problem. Taking corners, as you saw on the roundabout, a little slippery, but anyway, not that hard. But now, a little bit of straight, let's accelerate. Ooh, actually, it accelerates. I have to say, the traction control. Come, turn. I have to say, Tesla's traction control is pretty decent. It's not bad, really. And the nice thing is, you can goof around a little bit. Corner, and yes. Oh, you can even get little small drifts on. Okay, there's snowplow driving in the middle of the road. Thank you, sir. Nice. This is just amazing. To give you an indication of how often weather like this happens in the Netherlands, here we have an event, an ice skating event, which is called the Elfstedentocht. Elf standing for 11 and Steden standing for cities. So this is a tour on ice skates which goes across 11 cities. It's the most well-known ice skating event in the Netherlands. Our king even has done it. It's pretty harsh. It's many kilometers of pure ice skating. I don't know exactly how long it takes, but anyway, because of the, well, just sheer warmth in the last few winters, we haven't been able to organize even one of these events. And that's mostly because they are ridden on natural ice, on natural rivers, on natural lakes, and it's, well, as the name suggests, a tour from City 1 to City 11, all the way over natural ice. Sadly, this hasn't happened in years, at least not properly. The ice was always too thin, and it's just sad. We need it. We're Dutch, we need ice skating. But since that's not happening, I'm gonna go ice skating in this Tesla. Let's go. I'm at the stoplight right now, and there's this BMW X5 which just can't get across. Okay, it's green, full power. Nothing. Okay, and we have power. So I have to say, Tesla's traction control is pretty good. There's pretty much no wheel spin, and well, it's not really what we want when there's snow around, but there's a solution for that problem, of course. Okay, little bit of, yeah! Oh, nice. But now there is these people. We have some options. Wait, let me get into the parking lot first. Okay, we have some options on this Tesla to make it a little bit more fun. Sadly, you cannot turn off the traction control completely, which would make it insane. But there is an option for the wheel spin start, which is mostly used to get your vehicle out of some snow or sand. But well, we turn it on and it limits the traction control a little bit. Okay, so now let's see what we can do. Woohoo! Come on! Donuts, donuts, donuts! Hey! Come on, drift it, drift it! So sad we cannot turn off traction control. Man! Other way! Woohoo! This is amazing! And the other way. Oh, this is it's better than I expected, which is nice. Which is nice. But I have to watch out for the other vehicles. Woohoo! This is so fun. No grip, and power. Donuts. Come on. Do donuts. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, and calm. Now, I do have to say a few things, and that's about this Tesla. Elon, give us the option to choose which engine we want to use, because this is the all-wheel drive model. why can't I choose to turn off the front engine or limit the power to the front engine to make it a rear biased or mostly rear wheel drive vehicle? I think it's a missed opportunity, because this is an electric vehicle. You can just shut off the engine, or if that's not possible, you could just limit the power of the engine. I mean, it wouldn't be that hard, just some software. So, well, that said, I would really like to be able to do this, but sadly we can't. So we have to do with what we got. Anyway, it's still loads of fun. Okay, now we have a camera on the outside. So let's see if this looks as impressive or not from the outside as it does from the inside. Let's go. Just the Tesla traction control is so damn limiting. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, some power, some power, some power, some power. Braking and turn in. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Just not even the slightest amount of slide. Come on! Traction control. Aha! Yes, I see what's the problem. The sliding start is out. So now it's in again. And there our friend comes back. Yes, 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 we have power again. Okay, power, 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 come on. And flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. Come on. Woohoo! It's doing a little bit. It's doing a little bit. As I said, sadly, Elon won't let us turn off the traction control completely, and we also cannot choose between rear wheel drive or front or all-wheel drive. But hey, this is doing the job fine. Stick it in here. Turn the wheel and power. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Slide, slide, slide. It's doing something. Other way around, other way around, other way around. In reverse, this is even more fun. The guy's doing donuts in front of his camera, and he also put up his phone there to shoot some pictures himself. Ah, this is fun. And now flick it around, flick it around, flick it around. Whew. Really, if you have any car, doesn't matter what, take it out during the winter and go search an empty parking lot up and have some fun, because this, I do have to say, is so much fun. But it would be better if Elon wouldn't limit our traction. Well, I mean, he grants us more traction by limiting it. But give us some more power. Just stop the stupid traction control and let us have some fun. Okay? Thank you, Elon. Anyway, I hope this inspired you to go out in your own vehicle and have some fun yourself as long as the snow is here. Yes, yes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. And enjoy your life. Goodbye. Bye. Oh yeah.